Manipur Police Department today paid rich tribute to all police personnel who laid down their lives while on duty for the nation. The Police Commemoration Day 2020 was observed at the 1st Manipur Rifles Ground in IMPHAL. The 77th anniversary of the proclamation of the Provisional Government of Azad Hind was commemorated during a function at the UNESCO School campus located at Khongman Pandit Laikai in IMPHAL today. Azad Hind Force IMPHAL Front organized the event. A 46-year-old videographer from Tripura became the first journalist casualty after succumbing to COVID-19 yesterday. The State Health Department has reported at least 135 new cases, taking the total number of active cases in the state to 2,612. Jitendra Dev Verma, video journalist with a local cable television channel, was admitted to the Khumulwang Hospital, 25 km from Agartala, after experiencing respiratory distress and other symptoms associated with the coronavirus, a media report said. First phase of winter seeds distribution program was held today under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH 2020-21 in respect of Chandel district at the official complex of horticulture and soil conservation Chandel. The construction of a transit camp building at Teachers Colony in JIRIBAM district is nearing completion. Our JIRIBAM correspondent reports the transit camp building will provide shelter to doctors and teachers posted at JIRIBAM. With harvesting is in peak in Manipur, ignorant people throw paddy stubbles on the road and burn them, causing air pollution. Kaching Range Officer Naurem Munal Mete, along with some media persons, inspected several parts of Kaching paddy fields today. The team found heaps of ashes of burnt stubbles on the roadsides of Kaching Turel Wangma, Tejpur, due to which trees were found being dried up in the heat. IMPHAL East District Police and IMPHAL East District Administration jointly organized a public awareness rally as part of the COVID-19 Appropriate Behavior Jan Andolan today. The rally kicked off from Khurai Larigengbam Laikai and covered Hengang and other areas of the district. As a part of the Jan Andolan, Technopal District Police led by Superintendent of Police P.H. Bikramjit conducted a COVID-19 awareness campaign at Technopal District Headquarters today. A rally was also held to spread awareness to the public. A flag hoisting ceremony for Salam Joy was held at Snowland Complex, Samurou, Naurem today. Salam Joy is aspiring to contest the upcoming by-elections on Congress ticket from 22 Wangoi Assembly constituency. India reported a spike of 54,044 new coronavirus cases along with 717 new deaths, according to the Health Ministry data updated this morning. With this, the total number of coronavirus cases in India now stands at 76,51,108 and the death toll has reached 1,15,914. The Excise Enforcement Team of THOUBAL District today busted an illicit liquor making center at Langmaitet Mamang Maning Laikai under THOUBAL District. Reportedly, the team apprehended 2 bootleggers and seized local illicit liquor worth around Rs 13,000 along with raw materials. Social worker Thangjam Mohindro today distributed sprinkler sets to 49 farmers at his Harauro residence. The program was organized by Wahingbam Irrigation Enterprises in association with Agriculture Department. Khurai Pana Apunba Singlup today condoled the demise of former Secretary of Manipur Women's Football Association and founder Vice President of Khurai Pana Apunba Singlup, Moirang Themyaima. He died on October 13th last. The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC sought answers from the Health Department and Social Welfare Department over reports of the death of 877 newborns and 61 pregnant women in the state between April and July 2020. According to reports, the MHRC passed an order in this regard after rights activist Agnes Kharsing filed a petition seeking the intervention of the commission, as per a media report. Famous for its one-horned rhinoceros and tigers, The KAZIRANGA National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam are set to reopen for tourists from today after 8 months of being shut due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal will formally reopen the park, the report said. Mizoram yesterday reported 27 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the state's virus count to 2,280. Mizoram now has 129 active cases, while 2,151 people have recovered from the disease so far. The state so far has not reported any COVID-19 related deaths.